How y'all doing? I hope well. It's your old pal Melissa Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your leather shoes using acrylic paint. You can also do this if you want your shoes to match an outfit. We do this all the time on Broadway. Here are a few that I have painted during my career. If you decide to do this, opt for a lighter shoe like a beige or a white. I'll explain more as we go. Oh, if you want your shoes to be patterned, use nail polish. Okay, you ready? Let's get into it. First, brush the dirt off the shoes. Rub the shoes with acetone to break down the sealant and clean them. New shoes will need the acetone rub more to break down the sealant. This way the paint will adhere. Give the shoes a sanding and then wipe down the dust. Now for my favorite part, painting. Today I'm using Culture Hustle's Black 2.0. This was the most pigmented black acrylic paint on the market, but now they have a 3.0. You can still get the 2.0, and I'll link it down below. The brand that most people know for shoe painting is Angelus. Honestly, any acrylic paint will work. There's Sealant, however, that you definitely need. Do thin coats and let dry between. If you are doing a color change, you should give a light sand between layers. But since this project is just making old shoes look better, you can skip that. We're in the last step. Seal with Angelus acrylic finisher. This will give your shoes a real nice shine. Make sure to spread evenly and try not to have any air bubbles. So that's it. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, and it would be really great if you subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.